Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome back to Code with Nani channel. So today we're gonna discuss about wonderful problem of the day. Find the length of the longest common prefix. So this was asked today's problem of the day. So we'll get into this. What is this problem and how do we solve it and what are the approaches? So so what is this problem? So basically there will be given two arrays. Let's say array. Suppose. So they will be given two array. Array 1 is equal to consists of 1, 10, 100. And if array 2 consists of 20, 10,000. So what we had to do is we'll check for this. So common prefix for both the arrays. So we had to return what is the maximum length of these two common prefix. Suppose we'll check for one with 20, one with 10,000. What is the common prefix? It has 1 and it has 2. So there is no common prefix, that is 0. It has 1, this 1, it is 1. So we have to store this in the maximum result. Max of result, comma, this value. Right. So out of this, what is the maximum? So RT consists of 1 right now. Next, we'll check with 10. 10 comma 20. It still be 0. 10 comma 1000. So 10. So this is 2, this is 2. My common prefix is 2. So maximum becomes RT becomes now 2. Now I'll check for the other value. 100 with 20, 100 with 1000. It will still be 0. There is 3. So RT becomes 3. What is the maximum value that is that both the arrays have common prefix? That is 3. So how do we approach this solution? So how do we approach? So I'll just what I will do is we'll have array 1, 1, 10, 108, and array 2, 20. What I'll do is I'll create a map of string, comma integer. So what does this maps consist of is, so it will consist of each and every prefix of particular element. Now let's say I'll take the example 10, 100, right? I'll just convert it into the string. This particular number I will convert into the string s is equal to 1000, and I will generate each and every prefix. Like I'll push this into the map. I'll generate 1, 10, and 100 as my prefix, and I'll put it into the map. So I will create a map for the prefixes of this particular array of one element. Now I will go through this array element 2, and I will use particular array values as strings because we are working on a prefix, so we can easily check this prefixes in a string. So I'll just convert into the string. So I'll convert each and everything into a string. In s is equal to 20. So I'll check what is the common substring, common prefix string that is present in both of them. So how do I check? I'll iterate through each and substring like 2, 20. So I'll check whether these two are present in the map or not. So I'll check whether 2 is present. No. 20 is present. No. So answer is 0. Now check for the 10,000. So what is the substrings for the 1000? What is the substrings for the 1000? So what is this substrings? Oh, sorry. Just make 10,000. What is the substring? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So these are the substrings that being generated from this particular string. So because if we make it into string, we can easily append the strings and make it as a prefix string, so that it will be easy instead of doing in a integers. So I'll check whether one is present. Yes, one is present. So now this answer will becomes one because length of one is present in the prefix map. Now 10 is also present. So this becomes two because length of the string is two. Now check for 100 is also present. Now this answer becomes three. Now check for 10,000 and 10,000. These are not present. So the answer, maximum answer will be stored in the answer result, and that is will be returned from this answer. So that's how algorithm works. How what we do is we'll maintain each and every element prefixes in a separate map, and we'll iterate from the array 2, and I'll no check for each and every element prefix, and we'll check what is the maximum length that has the same common prefix, so that we can directly return the maximum length. So just code it, guys. You'll get to know everything, how does this algorithm works, and get clarity about it much more clearly. So what I'm doing is I'll create an ordered map, string comma int mp, right? I'll iterate through this array element, right? So I'm just converting a particular each and every element into a string. I'm just making it as a string to string function to make that particular integer into a string value. Suppose we have a 100, so it just makes 100 into a string 100, right? Which is we're passing the ith element, right? So just passed into this. So for each particular string, each particular suppose 100, so we had to generate all the prefixes related to that particular string, right? So for auto in particular string, what we are doing is we'll create a separate string prefix, right? We'll just append the characters to make the prefix array. Prefix plus is equal to j. Just appending the particular character, and we are pushing that prefixes into the map. P of prefix plus plus. Okay, so that's how the map will be created in the array of one string. All the prefixes that been pushed into the map. So because search for an element in a map is often, that's why we're pushing into the map. So what we do is we'll check for this array 2 whether how many common prefixes that has both elements from array 1 and array 2. So what we have to do is just convert into the string the same way, and we have to go through each and every prefix of this particular array as well, and we'll check maximum length, right? Let's just store the value in an answer. Let's be answer is equal to 0. Okay, have that in a prefix, and we'll iterate to that particular string. So j in that particular string, we have iterated, we're iterating, and we're appending that to the prefix, because to generate prefix we have to add each and every character in each and every iteration. So I'll just add it particular element, and we'll check whether that particular prefix is present in the map or not. If it is present, then it means that is common between both elements, right? If it doesn't present, it means we doesn't have to compare it with. So I'll just use the find function whether that particular prefix is present in the array or not. If not equal to map.n, which means that particular prefix is present in that map. So what we have to do is we have to make answer is equal to max of answer comma that particular prefix of length. Just make it in So that is the max. That is the prefix that is common for both array of one and array of two, right? So I'll just, because there may be a case it doesn't needs to be a maximum, but still it consists of same common prefix. So I'll just make it as so common for this, and in the end, just turn once. Let's check for the solution. Is it run? Just submit the solution. As it does, the solution has been accepted. So that's it for this problem of the day, guys. So if you have any queries related to this solution or related to this problem statement, do let me know in the comment section so that I can help you out if you are stuck at anywhere. So I'll just put this problem statement on my description so you can directly check out it. So if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, like the video, and that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video with a great content and a new problem of the day. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.